What's up guys, G-Man here, back out in the fields with Blackbeard Tripping. He's joining me today on a site that I had some decent luck the last time. It's where I got my 1954 silver, 1 shilling. So yeah, hoping to get some more decent finds, hoping that my brother can also pick up something decent.
Yeah, it's only I think it's my third outing with my brother. I had good fun the last two, so yeah, looking forward to picking up something cool.
Awesome, see you guys on the finds. So been at it for a little while already. One small 4-hole, and then came across this nice big buckle. That is thick. That's a very nice one. Funnily enough, lying just next to a previous detectorist dig. So he might have missed it. Hey, my luck. Right, so we're going over to Blackbeard Tripping. My brother says he's found something.
Of some sort. You've got some nice metal detail on the top.
Oh, that's nice.
That is very cool.
Let's have a look.
Very cool. Still don't know what that is though. That's awesome.
Details on top.
A pen of sorts.
That is really nice. Well done.
What would they keep in here?
Cheers. Once again, being a tough day for me. Brother's doing well. He's got that swagger stick top. At least I found another buckle, second for the day. Okay, first coin for the day. I've already picked it up. Looks to be a South African halfpenny, 1949. I'll give it a quick brush, show you a cleaner version. 1942 halfpenny, still in very good condition. Chuffed to that, first coin for the day, awesome. On my way back to the car, get some juice. Signal right there. First harmonica read for the day. Right next to the car. Wicked stuff. Another random for me, already picked it up. 1917 bicycle license. Still in very good condition. So I got this, fairly interesting, haven't cleaned it yet. Thought it was a piece of trash, but picked the dirt off and they're connected by a little chain. I'm going to give this a quick little spray, see if I can see anything, come back to you. So they are very dainty. I don't want to go at it here in the field. Rather try and clean them a bit better at home, but to me seems to be a cuff link, just due to the chain connection in the back. Nice. So going over to my brother, says he's got a buckle. This will be his first buckle. Oh my word.
Mondroit.
Give ya?
So,
And it's still whole.
I'm trying to read here. Give me your brush quick.
Let me just have a look here. Still whole. Can you believe it? First buckle in such good condition. Man, you bugger. Well done. Ooh, it is hot out here. Stumbled upon this surface find. Seems to be a little type of suspender buckle or something. Very small, very dainty. Nice. Alright guys, so it's been extremely hot out here today, which is good. I've burnt. I've been picking up a lot of trash, a lot of iron, rust, but stumbled upon my first proper 2-piece button. I've picked it up, I've placed it, I haven't looked at it really. If you can just see over there. Shank is still on. It's like Iron J. Don't know if you can see that, but I'm happy with that. That looks awesome. another button, I'm happy. So I have stumbled upon something unique. I don't know if you can see that over there. I'm going to pick it up. Very, very thin. A little person on. Let's quickly give it a spray. Says Adams Mars. How awesome is that? Wouldn't have a clue what it is. As luck would have it, rain's coming, getting a bit of lightning and thunder very close by. We're calling it in. Had a decent day. My brother got a decent buckle. Man, bucket lister. But yeah, awesome, loved it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time.